I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. The sun is shining and the room is bright. I get out of bed slowly. I wash my face with cold water. I brush my teeth carefully. Then I comb my hair. After that, I eat breakfast. I have bread, eggs, and tea. I enjoy my breakfast. Sometimes I eat fruit, like an apple or a banana. After breakfast, I put on my clothes. I take my bag. I leave my home. I walk to the bus stop. The bus comes and I go to work. At work, I say hello to my friend. He smiles and says hello to me. We talk about the weather. Today the weather is sunny and warm. I feel happy. I go to my desk. I turn on my computer. I check my emails. There are many messages. I read them one by one. I answer some emails. I write a short report. I work quietly. The office is busy, but it is not too noisy. At 10 o'clock, I go to a meeting. My boss talks about the project. My co-workers listen carefully. I write notes in my notebook. The meeting is not long. After the meeting, I go back to my desk. At 12 o'clock, it is lunchtime. I eat lunch with my friend. I have rice and chicken. I drink water. My friend eats noodles and vegetables. We talk and laugh together. We talk about food. We talk about movies. We talk about our families. Lunchtime is fun. After lunch, I go for a short walk outside. The fresh air feels nice. Then I go back to the office. Afternoon, I work again. I type on the computer. I check more emails. I make a phone call to a client. The client asks questions. I answer slowly and clearly. The client is happy. I write another report. I look at the clock. It is already 5 o'clock. The workday is finished. I pack my bag. I say goodbye to my coworkers. I leave the office. In the evening, I walk home. The sky is beautiful. The sun is going down. When I arrive home, I cook dinner. I cut vegetables. I fry fish. I make rice. I eat dinner with my family. We sit together at the table. We talk about our day. We share stories. After dinner, we watch TV. Sometimes we watch the news. Sometimes we watch a funny show. We laugh together. After TV, I wash the dishes. Then I take a shower. The warm water feels good. At night, I read a book. I read slowly and carefully. I enjoy reading. Sometimes I listen to music. The music is soft and relaxing. I drink a glass of water. I look at the clock. It is 10 o'clock. It is time for bed. I brush my teeth again. I turn off the light. I lie in bed. I feel tired, but I feel happy. I close my eyes. I sleep.